Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about iOS 27 developer beta or iOS 27 which is released recently. So if you want to download and install iOS 27 or iOS 27 beta on your iPhone, then how you can do that. But if you want to download but if it is not showing up on your iPhone, which means if you want to download and install the iOS 27 beta, but if you go to the general section, after that, if you click on software update and refresh it, you can see that there is no option available related to the iOS 27 developer beta. So how you can get that iOS 27 on your iPhone? For this, what you have simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And first of all, what you have to do, you have simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have simply click on settings here. And after that, you have simply click on general, and after that, you have scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. As you click on that reset network setting, and after resetting all of your network setting, you have simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have simply click on general. So if you click on general, after that you have to, if you click on software update, and you will not be shown the iOS 27, then you have to simply check for beta updates, and then here you can simply see that the beta updates are available. So if you want to download and install iOS 27 beta on your iPhone, then you have to simply click on that iOS 27 developer beta, and after that, as you click on that, and then after some time, the iOS 27 developer beta will be available to download. So after that, you have to simply click on download, and it will be downloaded on your iPhone iOS 26. And after that, downloaded, you can simply click on install, and it will be installed on your iPhone. So in this way, you can simply get to the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone without any problems. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.